Welcome back to Decoding AI for You, the 5-minute deep dive. If you are a parts manager, accessories specialist, or dealership owner looking to stay ahead of the curve in today's automotive retail landscape, today's episode is for you. I've spent months researching how generative AI is transforming the auto parts and accessories business, and today I'm sharing those insights with you. No technical jargon, just practical applications that could change how you run your department. Let's start with something fundamental to your business: inventory management. We all know it's the backbone of a successful parts operation, right? Well, generative AI is revolutionizing this space through advanced demand forecasting. Imagine having a system that doesn't just look at last year's sales, but analyzes massive amounts of data: sales history, seasonality, market trends, even competitor moves, to predict which parts your customers will need before they know themselves. It's like having a weather forecast, but for parts demand. This isn't about reacting anymore. It's about being proactive. When there's a surge in interest for bike racks after a major cycling event, your AI system spots it early and triggers reordering automatically. No more emergency orders or disappointed customers finding empty shelves. Beyond just ordering, this technology optimizes your entire operation: warehouse layout, logistics, inventory control. Think about AI automating vehicle listings that already include relevant accessories, managing thousands of different SKUs, and predicting maintenance parts needs based on fleet vehicle data. It's all connected. Better operations lead to faster turnover and increased sales. But generative AI isn't just transforming your back office. It's revolutionizing how you connect with customers. Personalized marketing takes on new meaning with AI analyzing customer history, online behavior, and stated preferences to generate highly targeted communications. Instead of sending generic winter tire emails to everyone, your sports car buyers receive offers for performance exhaust upgrades specific to their exact model. The result: higher engagement, improved customer experience, and better conversion rates. But is this just theoretical? Absolutely not. Real dealerships are implementing these solutions right now. Take Dealer AI. It goes far beyond a simple chatbot. This sophisticated system understands context, anticipates questions, and provides real-time information 24/7. It's like having a virtual assistant who never sleeps, handling customer inquiries and building those crucial long-term relationships. We're also seeing AI optimize inventory levels across dealerships, analyzing sales data, customer preferences, and external factors to fine-tune parts strategy. This predictive analytics approach ensures popular items stay in stock while avoiding the costs of carrying slow-moving inventory. Implementing custom AI solutions isn't cheap. You could be looking at tens of thousands, potentially over $100,000 for a tailored system, plus ongoing costs for data, maintenance, and updates. It's an investment you need to evaluate carefully against expected benefits. Perhaps the most immediate challenge is resistance to change. Staff might worry about losing the human touch or even their jobs. Overcoming this requires clear communication about how AI can help them, not replace them, alongside training for new skills. Looking forward, what trends should you watch? We'll see continuous improvements in predictive analytics, even more accurate demand forecasting, and better stock optimization as models become smarter. Customer interaction will evolve with advanced AI assistants providing 24/7 support for parts questions, booking service, and delivering personalized help. These will move beyond simple chatbots toward genuine digital concierge services. Behind the scenes, AI will automate documentation, writing user manuals for accessories or technical guides for service techs, saving time, improving accuracy, and freeing up your team for higher value tasks. If you're ready to take the next step, check out the resources in the description, which includes our deep dive report, provides a detailed analysis on generative AI within your industry. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next episode of Decoding AI for You. Thanks for watching Decoding AI for You. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's keep exploring the future of AI together. See you next time.